Hi, this is 949 East Caribbean on Summerland Key. Let me show you around this property. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and as you can see, it's an open floor plan. We've got a nice kitchen here with a little bump out, nice key lime color, stainless appliances and a pantry, and the dining room overlooks the patio. So we'll take a look out here. Got all tiled and screened with a nice ceiling fan, and this overlooks really beautiful flow-through canals of Summerland Key. So we've got a 10,000-pound boat lift and a concrete seawall and room on the side for a pool. So follow me and I'll take you through the house. So we've got first guest bedroom on the left here, good size, and interior laundry upstairs, which is convenient. And here we have a second bedroom, and it does have the vaulted ceilings, which gives it some height. And lastly, the master with his and hers closets. All impact windows, which is awesome, metal roof. And this house was listed 5 days ago and went under contract. Welcome, 949 East Caribbean. Okay, now we are at 960 East Caribbean Drive. This is listed for $595. It's a beautiful pool in the back, which we'll see in a moment. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and what's interesting, it has 2 home offices, perfect for this time. Okay, we're at 960 East Caribbean in the backyard. I wanted to show you this beautiful pool, which looks so inviting. We should be in right now. And I just wanted to point out we have our own custom boat ramp with a concrete seawall. So again, you have pretty emerald canal and quick boating access. Okay, we're at 868 East Caribbean now. This is another beautiful flow-through canal. It's 40 feet wide. We have a 60-foot dock in concrete, swim ladder, a 10,000-pound boat lift, and it even has a step-down dock, which you can no longer do. This property is completely fenced. It has 2 electric gates in the front, so if you have pets or small children, it's perfect. And you've got nice pavers and even a she shed. This is one of the least expensive properties at Summerland Key Cove, listed at $550,000. Hi, welcome to 909 East Caribbean Drive. This is a vacant lot. It's a tier 3 buildable. It's already completely fenced. We've got the water meter installed, and you'll see it's landscaped with Texas sage. It's got some nice coconut palms, and in the back it's a tremendous flow-through canal. So you're just minutes to open water, or if you want to get to the Gulf, you can get out there easily. There's no bridges to the Atlantic, and this one is just reduced to $275,000. Make a great spot for your dream home. Hi, we're now here at Lot 6 on East Caribbean Drive in Summerland Key. This is another tier 3 lot, which is 6,000 square feet, 60 by 100. And what's nice about this property, it's partially cleared, but on the canal side, you get a peekable view of the open water. So if you built your home with a deck on the west side, you get some nice sunsets. So this one is listed for $290,000, would make a great dream home. Okay, we are at 637 East Caribbean Drive. This is a great property. I call it the beach house. It's really cute. The owner has meticulously maintained this, and he's remodeled it. So the kitchen, the baths are all remodeled. It's 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, listed for $699. We have a 10,000-pound boat lift. Again, awesome canals flow through, and there's even a private airstrip behind us, the Summerland airstrip, which is really convenient. People fly in and fish out. Again, we have flow-through canals, and this has covered parking for 2 cars and then downstairs storage. What I love about this is they have a really cute screened balcony upstairs. It lets you look up and down the canal, so you have nice views, and it's
screened in so you can sit there and enjoy the evening.
Okay, we're here at 1041 East Caribbean Drive. This is a beautiful lot, 60 by 100, and it's my new listing. It does have a recent survey on it. The owner has developed custom plans for a 3-2 home and a dock. So great boating, deep water, and it's at the quiet end of the street, just moments out to the Atlantic. This one is listed for $290, buildable lot.
So if you're looking for your dream home in the fabulous Florida Keys, or thinking of selling, moving closer to family, please remember one thing: Pezzi Sells Summerland. Contact me, Donna Pezzi, Keller Williams, Key West Compass Realty at 305-304-2602, or search for homes at myfabulousfloridakeys.com. My goal is to exceed customer expectations. Remember one thing: Pezzi Sells Summerland.